Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. It is sped up, but it's still a get ready with me. In this get ready with me, I try to cram as many ShopMissA products as I possibly can in this one video, new and old. And let's get started. So first we're going to be using the AOA Perfect Primer. This is the original one, and this is a good primer for $1. You guys need to try it. There is 3 different ones available. I'm using the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Primer, and this is a good primer as well. It's for me comparable to Maybelline Baby Skin. I really like that one. And I'm using the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Correcting Primers. This is the peach orangey one for under eyes, and I'm also going to be using the green one for to counteract the redness on my face. And I do like these. I think that they do help combat with the color discoloration on the face, and they're only $1. What's not to love about that? Now that our skin is primed and ready, we're going to be using the Amuse Matte Finish Foundation. I think this is the second shade and the lightest shades to choose from. I'm using the Eco Tools Slanted Sponge. This sponge is amazing, and I'm totally in love with the foundation as well. It does matte out the skin. It has no dewiness, no glitters, no shimmers. Completely matte foundation. It's a thick consistency foundation, and I'm just using that sponge to pat that on my face. That sponge, by the way, absorbs like no product. Like, you wet it and the product sits on top, and you can tell when you're done using it that there's like no product left on the sponge. Like, I don't know how to explain it. You'll just need to get you one. They're like $5 at Walmart. Well worth the $5. They're really good. I'm just pouncing this, patting it, and pressing it into the skin and blending it out, of course. This is a medium coverage foundation. You can build it. I do think that it does a really good job, though, for it to be only $1. And I'm loving it. It's great. Here I go in for a little bit of extra coverage in some areas, like my cheeks and stuff, and you can tell that it does build. It does build. It doesn't look cakey throughout the day either, and I'm just really pleased overall with this product. Here's a close-up of the skin. And now here I'm using the Maybelline UnderEye Concealer. There's not much you can say about this. It's just greatness in a bottle. Everyone loves this concealer. I've been using it for years. So I'm going to be taking the AOA Studio Banana Loose Powder, and I'm going to set that under eye concealer. I'm going to use the banana powder to set the under eye concealer, and I'm going to allow it to bake for a few minutes. Now here I'm going to use the AOA Perfect Loose Powder in Soft Light. I love this one. I'm going to use that to set the foundation all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it out with a kabuki brush. I'm using the LA Colors Tan Powder to contour with. I love this. Now that brush is an AOA Studio brush as well. It's from some of their sculpting brushes, duo sets. I love it. It's my favorite one that I got out of the sculpting sets. I'm just going to blend that into the contour areas, and I'm using the Malibu Glitz Peach Healthy Glow blush. I love these blushes, you already know. This is the third one I own. This is extremely pigmented, and it's not so much peachy really, but use a light hand because it is extremely pigmented. Well, I'm going to blend that out with a kabuki as well. I'm using the AOA Studio highlighter in Cream Puff. So just a champagne-y, golden-y kind of glow. I love this one. It's very nice. These highlighters are nice. You can use them dry or wet. And again, we're blending that out with our kabuki. Now, this is the AOA Studio Brow Pomade, and I have it medium brown, and this also is a brush from the All About the Eyes set, and these brushes are really great. I use these brushes the rest of the video. The pomade stays in place all day. It is super pigmented, so use a light hand, creamy. It just does a really great job at filling in the brows. I'm using, this brush is also double-ended, and I'm using this spoolie to brush the product through my brows. And the Color Workshop Brow Highlighter Crayon, I'm using that to conceal under the brows, help perfect them, and highlight, bring more light to the area. Now, I've done the other brow off camera real quick. And here we're using this Pop Pastel. It's number 7. I believe it's from Santee. And they're just jumbo eyeshadow pencils. Now, this did not crease on my lids. I blended out very well. I didn't apply too much. But I tried wearing it at my waterline, and it ran all day. So don't recommend that. Now, I'm using the Maybelline Chic Naturals palette in Almond Satin, and I use this a lot for my everyday makeup. And I'm applying the first white creamy shimmery shade all over the lid, all the way up to the brow bone as a base color. I'm going to pat that everywhere, setting in the secondary base we used. And I'm going to use the middle shade there on this nice big fluffy blending brush from AOA Studio. And these are the ones that help with the Pawpaw Charity, and they're nice and fluffy. They're so incredibly soft, and I highly recommend picking them up. They're all eye brushes, and they are very leaned and catered to blending. So if you're if you're great at blending, I would say pick them up because they're super soft and nice. If you're new to blending, definitely pick them up because they'll help you along your journey. So we're going to be picking up that dark brown there and applying that in the outer corner area. And we're going to slightly bring it into the crease, and then we're going to be blending that out to mesh all the colors together. We want them all to melt together in the end. Now, I am going to be reapplying colors as well, you'll see. But basically, the eye look, that's all we're going to do to it. We're going to just apply the colors, blend it out. It's a very easy and quick look. I love this look if I don't have very much time to do my makeup. And you can pair it with any lip you want, nude or bold. It goes with everything. I typically do a bold lip when I wear this look. And we're just going to apply a little bit more of the creamy shade to the brow bone and blend that down as well. Now, as always, I'm using my Milani Stay Put eyeliner to tight line and use that in the waterline as well. This mascara is from Santee. This is new mascaras they have on the website. There are 4 to choose from. They're in color tubes, and they all have different brushes. Same brush as the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and this mascara doesn't look like much with a first coat, but go back and apply a second or a third, and it looks great. It does a good job at separating and building those lashes up. I like it. And there's the finished eyes. So for lips, we're going to be using the AOA Studio Wonder Matte in Crush, and this is a beautiful, bright, basic red shade. This would pair perfect with this nude look, natural look, and a smoky eye. It's beautiful. So that's the finished look, and we're going to go in with the AOA Studio. This is their higher end brand, and this is the Rainbow Pearl Highlighter. and it is extremely powdery. Maybe I should have used a different brush. It even got in my hair, and it's okay. Like, I didn't get the rainbow effect like I wanted, but I should have used a stiffer brush, I believe. I'm using a setting spray from WetnWild to set that and make my makeup last all day long. And that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me style video. Stay tuned for that ShopMissA review, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming ShopMissA videos. Thank you guys again for watching.